Just look at this channel, whose name is Mirano. According to the Social Blade, the income from this channel is around 3 to 50k US dollar. And this channel, Danny Fiction, made over 9 to 150k US dollar per month. Can you imagine? Is it really true or false? I would say they are not bit of false. Nowadays, funny content is very much liked by the audience and its demand is increasing day by day. Now, if you ask me what kind of content I watch more, my answer would be funny content. And you can earn thousands of dollars a month by re-uploading funny content. Isn't it amazing? Well, you can also say, alright, but if I copy this video and upload to my channel, can I monetize my channel? Of course you can monetize and you can also earn money from your channel. But if you upload exactly the same video, the channel has more chance to getting copyright. But there is no reason to worry. I monetized a channel a few months ago, so I can show you every step of making money from your channel. So don't skip the video, please. Our first step is channel branding. I'll create a channel with a new Gmail. My viewers must know how to create a YouTube channel with Gmail. That's why I didn't show it. I will open the channel with good name. If there is any problem with channel name, then you can take up of help of ChatGPT. Just go to ChatGPT and say, suggest me 10 best and unique YouTube channel name on funny content niches. And see how many good names it suggested. Then upload a profile picture. And channel art. Okay, our channel is ready. Our next step is get videos. You can use YouTube for different types of funny videos. Search trending funny videos. Oh my god, just see what video is coming. Download the shorts from here as per your wish. There is an option in YouTube search filter that is Creative Commons. If you turn on this option, you will get copyright free content and there will be no chance to get copyright claims. Okay, copy the video link for download and come to this website. The name is ssyoutube.com and paste the video link and download it in high quality. Download complete. Now what you need to do is edit this video for a little bit. So first we will go to InShot app. InShot app would be the best app for video editing. So go to InShot app and open the downloaded videos. Then we will edit something. For example, I will add filters to the video, change the background of the video, etc. And finally the video is done. Now I'll save it. Okay. Now upload the video that you have created. Before uploading, make sure your channel is customized or not. Well bro, you're done. Your first video has been successfully uploaded to YouTube, and you just need to do is find good quality videos and upload them regularly to your channel. Just upload and make it viral. When your channel got monetized, you will start making money from your YouTube channel. Best of luck.